Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Cambodia using the Remitly app. So you just have to tap on the Remitly app to open it, then go to the home page, and on the home page on the top left corner of the screen you can select the country that you wish to send money to, Cambodia in our case. And when you open it, you just have to tap on the Get Started icon, which should appear here on the bottom of the screen. Tap on Get Started. And when it opens up, you just have to type in the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you are going to see your local currency, and below that, you can see the currency in the recipient country. Then tap on Continue, and you can see the delivery methods that are available. We have bank deposit and cash pickup, so just choose the one that you wish. For bank deposit, here you are going to see some of the most popular banks in Cambodia, but if you don't see the one that you would like to choose, you can always tap on choose another bank. So just choose one of the banks, then add the account number of the recipient. Now here you must be very careful, so you type in the correct number. Obviously I'm just using a fictional number. Then you have to add the first name and last name of the recipient. Tap on continue again. Here you have to add the phone number of the recipient, like this. Then tap on continue. You can also choose to notify or not to notify the recipient when he receives the money. Then the last step is going to be adding your debit or credit card details, and the Remitly app is going to charge you just like a normal internet payment, and the recipient is going to receive the money in his bank account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.